This is Euclid Book 9, proposition number 3. And here's our illustration for tonight. Okay. And it says the following. If a cube number by multiplying itself makes some number, the product will be cube. For let the cube number A by multiplying itself make B. I say that B is a cube. Alright. Why is 8 a cube number? Well, 2 times 2 times 2 makes 8. Because 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so 8 times 8 is going to make 64. Okay. Now then, for let's see the side of A. Now remember, we have two sides of A. Okay? Because remember, A is also a similar plane number. Okay? So the sides of that are going to be 2 and 4. Do you remember that from Euclid Book 9, proposition number 1, when I talked about that? Okay. For let C, the side of A be taken, and let C, by multiplying itself, make D. So we took one side of A, which is 2, because remember that rectangle is going to be a 4-inch by a 2-inch. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. So we're going to have C times itself make D. And then you can see these are the two sides of the rectangle of 8. Okay. Now since C by multiplying itself has made D, therefore C measures D according to the units in itself. Now what does that mean? Okay. It means that C, which is 2, is going to measure 4, and it's going to measure it twice. That's what it means. But further, the unit also measures C according to the units in it. Therefore, as the unit is to C as 1 is to 2, so is 2 is to 4. Again, since C by multiplying D has made A, 4 times 2 makes 8. Therefore, D measures A according to the units in C. Alright. 4 is going to measure 8 twice. Because 4 times 2 makes 8. But the unit also measures C according to the units in it. Therefore, as the unit is to C as 1 is to 2, so is 4 is to 8. But as the unit is to C, so is C is to D. Okay, as 1 is to 2, so is 2 is to 4. Therefore, also as the unit is to C, so is C is to D, and D is to A. Okay, let me list that out for you. As 1 is to 2, so is 2 is to 4, so is 4 is to 8. Let's say that one more time. As 1 is to 2, so is 2 is to 4, so is 4 is to 8. And that is a continued proportion. Therefore, between the unit and the number A, two mean proportional numbers, C and D, have fallen in a continued proportion. Okay? Because remember, the numbers 2 and 4 fell before 8. Remember, as 1 is to 2, so is 2 is to 4, so is 4 is to 8. Get the picture? Again, since A, by multiplying itself, has made B, therefore A measures E according to the units in itself. Well, 8 measures 64 8 times. But the unit also measures A according to the units in it. 1 will measure 8 8 times. Therefore, as the unit is to A, so is A is to B. As 1 is to 8, so is 8 is to 64. Euclid Book 7, definition number 20. But between the unit and A, two mean proportional numbers have fallen. Okay? Therefore, two mean proportional numbers will also fall between A and B. And this is by Euclid Book 8, proposition number 8. But if two mean proportional numbers fall between two numbers, and the first be a cube, then the second will also be a cube, and this is by Euclid Book 8, proposition number 23. And as A is a cube, therefore B is also a cube. There's your proof. All right. I will tell you more in my next video. Stay tuned.